everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. So this is a 8319 Bison Ranger. So this is a 19-foot short wall. This is 35 feet on the floor. It has a 12-foot slide, and it's not the real big, deep slide. It's a more shallow slide. It's got the kitchen in that slide box, so it's not as heavy of a slide. So this trailer is a one owner. It's immaculate. It has absolutely zero issues. The only thing that I'm going to point out is when the slide comes out, it squeaks. We've looked at it. There's no issues whatsoever. It's just the nature of how this particular slide works. So obviously I just want to point that out. It's the only thing that I can noticeably notice. RV wise, we've been through it completely, no issues. It's immaculate. Great trailer, actually. Great, well taken care of trailer. So I don't think I said the age, maybe I did. It's a 2019 8319 Bison Ranger. So I'm just going to go around, point out some things. 2 large propane tanks, spare 2 batteries. It does have a stainless nose, aluminum wheels, dual hydraulic jacks. Try to back up. There's really no dents or bangs or scratches to really comment on this trailer. So it's not got anything like that I need to say, or I would, as you know. 3 drop down windows with bars. I just realized I took the pictures and didn't take those pictures, so I'm gonna have to go back. Escape door, 2 mangers. It does have a hay rack and ladder. No generator. I'll get asked that a lot, so no generator. Hay rack and ladder though. It does have a rear ramp. So this is got a rear ramp. It's kind of hard where I've got this thing parked to try to get you a view from afar. So I'm in the zoomed lens of my camera here on my phone. So it has a collapsible rear tack. It does have a swing out saddle rack. As I said, rear ramp. All in excellent condition. Let me try to back up. Not break my ankle on these rocks. A little four-wheel drive in my video today. Sorry, guys. All right, so now I can kind of show you. The sun's not in my favor, but rear ramp, collapsible rear tack, swing out saddle rack, hay rack, ladder. All right, now to go back over without getting killed. All right, horse box, immaculate shape, no issues, no tears, no problems. This trailer is immaculate. It's been babied for sure. Roof vents, it's fully lined and insulated. A set of racks here, or hooks, excuse me. I'm in the first stall for storage if you'd like, or haul a horse. Either way, that's up high enough, it's out of the way. This trailer does have fans, sliders on the rear, mats. Again, in excellent shape. Lower divider, padded dividers, airflow dividers. All in excellent shape. I mean, if I had to like really pick it apart, it's got a couple scratches on the lower divider. Not anything of major concern. All in great shape. There's a couple of scuffs from the divider wall being folded back. Not anything to get real excited about, but pointing that out. Again, horse box in immaculate shape. They put a little organizer on the back door here. All right, coming back around the other side. Gives you a little bit better visual. Super clean trailer. If you got a family, this would be the trailer. You stay at horse shows at long periods of time, or you camp a lot, this would be a great trailer to have because you have a ton of room, a ton of storage, space. Does have a power awning with an LED light strip. Stepping back, again, there's no scratches, scrapes, dents, or issues on this side of the trailer as well. All right, heading in the LQ, it's got a flip up step here at the LQ door. Again, this is a super neat layout. I've really actually not seen this layout anywhere. So, kitchen is in the slide box. I don't even know where to start. Let me just kind of spin around the whole trailer, and then I'm going to go back and kind of point everything out as best I can. All right, coming back around. All right, so I'm gonna try to start here in the bed area. That's probably gonna be the easiest thing, kind of come around. All right, so steps up to the bed. You trip up the steps. Bed area does have a hookup here on the wall for a TV to be mounted here. If you'd like, it has a cabinet there on the left. Cabinets behind the bed there with mirrors. Does have the night shades. Okay, spinning back around, you've got the kitchen here to the front. Dinette to the left. A set of recliners to the left. Cabinets completely across that side of the trailer. So your kitchen is here as well in the slide box. You've got a big fridge, 2-burner gas top stove, counter space. Let me flip around here. You've got microwave, counters, counter space, double sink, cabinets below, drawers. If you're one to like to cook when you're camping and serve a lot of people, this would be a great trailer. I mean, you could put a table in here in the floor. It's so big. The dinette does make a small type bed. But here's the thing about this trailer. You could totally put 2 cots in the floor in here and have a lot of room still yet. So, I mean, you could sleep more than, you could put an air mattress in the floor. So that's how big this trailer is. So you've got a lot of options for sleeping. All right. It's got a TV. I guess you would call it an entertainment center per se, but it's got a TV here that you can swing around. Swinging around, you've got a set of recliners here. Someone could sleep in those. They do recline back. They do move. They're actually, they move out of that whole section. So if you wanted to do something different in that section, you could. Here's just an angle of the view this way. All right, so cabinets here for storage. Bathroom has a pocket door, dome shower. It does have a full closet with shelves and a hanging bar and a shelf above, which is nice. I'm going to spin around so you can kind of see the bathroom, sink and vanity in the corner here. Again, corner dome shower, a rounded shower. It's a pretty good size shower actually. The shower. All right, so coming back around, I'm just going to kind of walk back through and try to give you a good view of the trailer. So again, huge floor space, big open area. Again, if you need a lot of storage, you need a lot of sitting space, you need a lot of floor space for sleeping. This would be a great trailer for a family, a large family that has multiple people. This would be a great trailer to accommodate you. No damage in this trailer, no leaks. There's no soft spots on the floor. There's no soft spots or any leaking from the ceiling. I mean, this trailer is immaculate. It's been, like I said, very well taken care of. It does have a ducted AC propane furnace. All right, so just trying to kind of, all the storage space in this trailer. I mean, there's cabinets everywhere. All the way above, cabinets up there. All right, guys, so 8319 kitchen edition is what I'm going to call this trailer. Excellent shape, no issues whatsoever. We've been through it. It's ready to go. Super nice trailer to get ready for fall riding, fall showing. It's getting ready to get nice. Weather's going to get nice. So, you guys, great trailer here, Carolina Trailer Sales. Again, 2019 Bison Ranger. My name is Ashley. You guys have a great day.